Talon na ako kahit piso lang. You will support me ba? Mahal kasi no, babe. Hi, Joy. Grabe. Ang lakas ni Joy. Kota na. Ano yan, Joy? 30K? O kagaya ni Aklis? 100K? Hi, Menis! Menis na milat. Pararambam. Charlie. Ano yun? I'm all alone here. Hi! Shall we? Shall we, pretty girl? Kawaii ne. Hi, shall we? Ah. I'm all alone. Hi, Gran. Shall we, Gran? I'm all alone here in my bed. Heart. Evangelista? Uy, di ikaw yun. Fake na heart ka. Char. May fake ba na heart? Hi, Prince! Patrick. Zero. Hi, Zero. Shall we, Zero? Hi, Dadan. Shall we? Zero. How are you, Zero? You good? Hope you're doing well. Hope you're gonna lose me. Hope it never ends. Hi, Aki. Hello, Zero. How are you, Zero? How is your life? Tambay. I'm well. Oh, that's good to know, Zero. How are you? I'm good. I'm good naman. Zero, I'm gonna follow you, Zero. Siguro si Zero na yung makakabawas ng kota ko ngayong gabi. Angela! Hi, Pate. Welcome back, Pate. Saan ka galing? Sige, siguro si Zero na ang daan. Patungo sa kota ko. Hoy! Ay, kanta dyan yarn. Somewhere down the road. Ano yan, be, kanta? I'm sorry. Hello, Zero. Zero, where you from? Baka naman nagtatagalog ka din, pahirapan mo lang din ako, ha? US. Oh, you're from US. I said, maybe Zero will reduce my quota today. Spiders. Lucas. Hi, Lucas. Shall we, Lucas? Yeah, yeah. Kota na, Lucas. Spider. Sup, boy? Right, Zero? I think Zero will reduce it. Will reduce this? Maybe not today, yeah. I know. Hi, Nomad! Hi, Gon. Shall we, Gon? Kamusta ka, Gon? Kamusta ang buhay mo, Gon? Okay ka pa ba, Gon? Tinanong eh, no? 40k, Diyos ko naman. Hi, Think. Shall we think? Thinking out loud. 30k nga, hindi ma-reach. Magpo-40 pa. Diyos ko, Lord. I can't reach the 30k. Maybe Zero will help. Anong kasalanan ng mata ko? Gon, ano ba to? Visit ka? Gon, nakalay pa ba si ano?